Clouds blot out the light, 3,000 miles apart, longing for love. They're a trust and you start. The stars shine hope in the sky. Millions of souls walking in my life. I wonder, will I find my path? Then I hear a voice speaking in my heart that many who are first will be last, and the last will be first. Many who are first will be last, and the last will be first. I see sisters and brothers, you never give up, you share with us an open heart. Pain and hate won't alter your dreams, you move on with faith and hope so strong. Hold on to you. Yes, many who are first will be last, and the last will be first. Yes, many who are first will be last, and the last will be first. Tonight we celebrate freedom around the world. Yes, and I'm sharing a quick story. I started this movement last year because it was 80 years that Hitler marched into Austria, 70 years of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. My grandmother had to flee with 3 little kids at the end of the Second World War. So my father, I found out really late in my life, is a war refugee. And my parents are mentoring an Afghani refugee right now. So I'm very, very grateful to my parents that inspired me to make a difference in the world. And that's why we're all here tonight. So thank you for your support. I'm really grateful, and it's getting hot in here. Please try Steve Greenwell. Hold me here by my side. Hold me tight tonight, all night. I was lost in the jungle of dating sites. My heart deep bleeding, no connection I feel inside. Friends don't know anyone good enough for me. Someone who understands makes me feel free. A showman is looking for his queen. Where is he? Haven't met him. Come here and lead him by my side. We will learn to search tonight. Believe me, everything will be alright. If you choose to be mine. Fears won't stop us from dreaming, holding hands to cross high mountains, sharing water from new fountains, connecting our open hearts. Together we rise and shine a star. Remember my side. I choose you to be my light. On Broadway once more. Now alone, sweet memories I look for. True intimacy met with resistance. I found myself walking further into distance. Connected to you, I felt a pain anew. Unfulfilled dreams of my heart that fell apart. Connected to you, I felt a love anew. hope someday